Hey guys, I hope you're well. I haven't done a video for a long time. I was working on myself, doing some personal growth to feel good. I keep rising my vibration. Quick video to give you a shout out and to say hi. And I'm rising my vibration more than ever. That's the feedback I could give to you right now about my life. As you see, I'm in the nature right now in the mountain. So hope you're well, guys. Keep rising that vibration. We need to rise that vibration to feel good and to continue doing things every day to rise our vibration. I was doing maybe like five things a day to rise my vibration like 6 months ago. Now more than ever, it's important to rise it more for the energy. So maybe I'm at 10 or 11 things that I do daily to rise my vibration. So give you a little look at that nice forest here, mountain. Still snow here. Yeah, beautiful. That's as you guys who follow my channel know that the mountain here in the mountains, as I say, it's the recharge. That's where we recharge our body. It's a natural recharge, you know what? And it's free. So take advantage of that. Take advantage of walking in a mountain, walking in nature. It's free, and you're gonna recharge your body. Like I say, you know, you need a charger to recharge your cell. Your body is the nature. Take care, guys. Peace.